everybody. I received in the mail today another one of my Etsy orders. It is only one plant, and then I'm going to unbox it and end there. I'll show you a close-up like I always do. I am above and beyond pleased with the packaging, how the plant showed up, and the shape that it was in. By far, one of my favorite calatheas right now. I know that this is from a woman in Florida. It came all the way to Florida, across the United States to Washington. She packed it beautifully. Heating pack, everything was in contact. There was no soil spilled out. I'm in love with it, and I hope you enjoy the unboxing. I hope this isn't too long for everyone. Short, quick, mini. I may even fast forward through some parts so that I don't waste your time. I know our time and our energy and everything is important to us, and so I am grateful for everyone for watching this video. I love you all, and I just can't thank you enough for all my beautiful subscribers. God bless. Hey guys, happy Saturday. Wanted to get on real quick. Before I jump into, I got one of my Etsy Calathea mixes or like a different breed. I know it's like part Calathea orbifolia and something else. I can't think of it. If I can find it, I will put it up on the screen. I wanted to show you just a few things before I jump in. I wanted to show this, totally random, this mug to everyone. I don't know if you've ever seen this kind of a mug. I'm not even quite sure what these go by. I call it a mitten mug. I get this from a place called Made in Washington, where they make them for right-handed people or left-handed people. And so when you have a hot drink or any kind of drink that you're drinking, you can put your hand right in there, and it's like a hand warmer. Isn't that so cool? It's from a place called Made in Washington. I don't know if they ship overseas to my UK followers, but I thought this was the coolest little thing. Little coffee break. I love it. So I'm gonna put it right back here. Knowing me, I'd tip it over. And then last night I went to Walmart and I got a 6 or an 8 ounce. It said 8 ounces on it. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody else, but I grabbed this. It was only $1.75. And it's ceramic and it's got a drain hole. So I was happy about that. I need to go back. I wish I picked up every single one of them, but I wasn't thinking correctly and I did not do that. So I wanted to show you that I got one of those. I'm hoping and praying that this turns out okay. So, gotta get my spectacles on. Let's see here. I don't even know how to open this. It looks like someone tried to open it already. I don't know. Man, it looks like someone cracked into this already. Let's see. Should be my invoice. Okay, so this is called a Calathea rotundifolia. Rotundifolia? I don't know if I'm saying that correct. And this plant was $16 with the $9.30 for shipping. And the grand total, well, my tax was $2.50. And so my grand total was $27.80. Now, if I went into a plant store, I probably could get like 4 or 5 plants with that price. But like you all know, I have been on the hunt for Calathea orbifolia. This looked similar in the picture, so I gravitated towards it, and I justified paying almost $30 for a 4-inch pot of plant. That's so pathetic. And yes, Suzette, I do have the bug. Alrighty. It is wrapped really nice. I mean, this is nice. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, she taped it to the box. I see what she did. She was so kind. It's still a hair warm, but she put in a really nice heating pack. I think that's what it is. Feels like it. I think that's what this is. I'm not sure. Okay. So, came in that box. Okay, here's to hoping. I love him. I love it. I love it. Here is what he looks like. And then I will show you a close-up of him. Okay. Beautiful. I'm excited. Wrapped very beautifully. He's got new growth coming in down there. So happy. I'm so happy. Adding it to my collection. Sorry, you'll hear my son in the background. He's asking for lollipops. So cool. And if you're interested, I know that Miss Bird, if you watch this, I know you said something about that the Etsy in the UK does not send whole potted plants to you, but cuttings. I can't wait to see your video, by the way. But if you're looking for a nice plant, and you like calatheas, I think that you'll like this one. I'm just trying not to harm him. I don't want to hurt it. I paid a pretty price for him. She wrapped this so beautifully. None of the soil had spilled out. This little guy is kind of damp, this little piece of cloth or paper towel. He is in perfect condition. I'll water him a little bit. Wow. He's beautiful. So this is my Calathea rotundifolia. I don't know how you would say that.